Hey y'all, hey. Welcome back. Y'all already know we get ready to get into a quick little video. But let me go ahead and share this with y'all. Alright, so last week I told my husband he went ahead on and he ordered, the new iPhone that was coming out. One thing, let me put you down with something, a little fun fact about me. When any Apple product comes out, people in this house, we are on it. Like I said, we are on it. Alright. So lo and behold, he comes in on Friday morning. It's around 9 o'clock, and he's like, give me your phone so I could transfer it over. So, y'all, this is the new 12. I think this is the Pro. I'm not really sure, but it's the biggest one, the biggest size. And yeah, this phone was a little bit pricey. Not only did he go ahead and purchase the phone for me, when he got in the store, honey, it was a line of people. He was able to go around the people, everyone looking at him, and got my phone right away. Because like I say, he is always on some real official shit. Yeah. All right. So when he got my phone, he went ahead on and got my phone. He purchased my case. He went and got the crack shield on the front. He went and had it put on the back. And then, no, he didn't stop there. He even got it put onto the camera. All right. So let me tell you guys, I am so in love with this phone. If you do not have it, the new iPhone, I think this is the 12 Pro, the biggest one it is. If you do not have it, honey, I don't know what you're doing, but girl, you better go ahead on out there and get it. But make sure when you go ahead on out there, your pockets are sitting okay. Because let me tell you, this phone is not cheap at all. All right. So anyway, getting head on, to this reaction video. Why is it on Friday and Saturday that you come on and you go ahead and you throw a monkey wrench into the weekend? And what I mean by that, it seems that every Friday and Saturday that you are coming onto this platform to go ahead and throw out another ditzy, dumb, stupid, moron, jerk, ass of a problem. So you say that your nudes were being leaked. And I will say I went back maybe a couple videos back it is, and I told you guys that there was nothing else for Jasmine to come on this platform and do but to say that someone has leaked her nudes. And honey, it is surprising to me that someone actually leaked some nudes about you. All right. I had already called it. I said that is the only thing that Jasmine is going to be able to come on here and do. So with that being said, the next is going to be either Jasmine is abruptly being evicted, the CPS are at Jasmine's house again, the baby mother of Chris or whatever is giving Jasmine some type of problem. Yeah, that's going to be the only thing that Jasmine can bring up now. She can't say that her car is getting ready to get repoed because, the car is actually old as, I don't know. But I had to Google it. I never even heard of a mountaineer. But anyway, we're going to go ahead on and get off of that or whatever. We see the mountaineer all the time. Yes, we do. Mountaineer. But anyway, yeah, so you came on here, you sitting in the corner talking about, well, you're going to go ahead and release what you want before somebody actually releases it. And then you come straight off saying that it was a reactor. And it was a reactor, blah, and Asia. They were the actual people that started this whole shit. All right. My thing to you, Jasmine, is why the fuck you can't just own up to the shit that you do? You and the other one over there, stop saying that, a reactor is a reactor put out your pictures, a reactor put out your address. All right, just stop. Like, that's the only thing that you get what I'm saying, you go on. You get me? You and Chrissy, just like when she came on this bitch and tried to dox me, talking about I put up her address and I ain't put up shit because the dumbass that told her that was stupid, and then tried to dox me with shit that I've already told everybody on this actual platform, which made her look even more stupid then, because it was like, oh, I just got some information that everybody know. Yeah, that one. So anyway, yeah, so you got on here, you was, going back and forth, you telling your subscribers to go over there and strike her channel, you telling, your subscribers to go over there and report her channel. I mean, all of that. You said that you set up last night, you flagged everything, you did everything. Okay, so you done did all of that. You don't know who went to that site and put up your information. You don't know who. So why are you sitting here? You get what I'm saying? Always putting the blame on somebody else. The blame is on you. You always put the blame on somebody else. Just like this shit with your mother or whatever. You're the one who did that, but you don't want to put the blame on you. You want to say my mom was just upset because of things that were said. So that was her moment where she was letting it out. No, Dusty, it was because of you. All right, the only person with this picture shit that you can blame, Jasmine, is you. You, radio. You are the one who decided to go ahead and take a picture of your stink box and go ahead and send it through to someone that basically was catfishing you. You mean to tell me you done met a guy, they don't even answer the phone when you want them to answer the phone. They answer the phone when they want to. And you, as a person, like you say, you're not slow. All right. You want to go ahead and kick it out that you have a degree. All right. And you are over there sending funk box pictures to someone that you don't even know. But yet you want to get mad when people on this platform call you slow. All right. That right there, let me tell you, Jasmine, was what I call a extra super type of slowness. That's what I call it. But better yet, the people who are watching you, the people who are in your live comments saying, oh, this and oh my God, they shouldn't have did that. They shouldn't have did that. You people have a problem. See, a lot of y'all that come in these comments, y'all don't really watch, them. So, of course, to y'all, it's going to look like, oh, well, they're being picked on. They're being this. People are jealous of them. People are hating on them. People are mad because they are reaching to the top. All right. I don't see Jasmine reaching up to no top. Only top that I see Jasmine reaching up to is the food pyramid. You know, the food pyramid that they give you when you're in school or you're taking nutrition. That's the only thing I see her climbing up the top at is the food pyramid. That's it. All right. That's it. I don't have no other way to put it. I can't sugarcoat it, but I don't see Jasmine making it up to the top at all. Jasmine should have already made it up to the top. All right. The problem is that Jasmine, she comes on here and what Jasmine does is she puts fuck shit out. So that is why she's staying at these numbers. That is why. That's why. But yet you want to go ahead and you always want to blame it on someone else. Y'all kill me with it. It's always the reactors. No, it's not the reactors. We're not the ones you need to be worried about. Not at all. I'm pretty sure you know exactly who you need to be worried about. Yeah. Because over here, nobody is going to different databases and researching any shit about you, Chris, who the fuck ever. All right. I would not even pay for that shit. Okay. I'm not doing none of that. All right. This reactor, it's not me. All right. It's not me. Okay. And then Jasmine, I ain't even gonna lie. When you was doing the whole video, you had to pause it because I can tell you right now, that Chris was giving you the fucking business. All right. I want to call his ass Cliff. Chris, I can tell you, has been giving you the business right here on this situation. I didn't see Chris bringing that fat ass and hips walking back across when you was doing that shit. I mean, I ain't see him or whatever. I know that you said you said he was in the kitchen. You asked him if he was gonna fix you something, and I noticed that Chris ignored the shit out of you. Yes, he did. In that kitchen, Chris probably was like, I don't believe that I came over here to stay for free, but I never thought that I would be walking in to this shit here bullshit. This right here is so much shit ever since I have brung my hats and my red shirt to move in. There has been constantly some type of problem, constantly some type of drama. Not only is it in our home, but it goes and it reaches her mom's home. I don't know what the fuck I got into. So you begin to, pause it and, mute it because Chris was talking to you. Now, if I had to guess what Chris to the Fur, what Chicklets was saying to you, I would say that Chris probably, told you, mute that. Now, Jasmine, why you over here, you get what I'm saying, going back and forth, saying it was, a reactor blah, and it was Asia. You really don't know who it was, Jasmine. You get what I'm saying? You don't know. This right here is very embarrassing. My family probably is going to see it. My baby mom probably is going to see it. This is embarrassing, Jasmine. Not only that, but what you say is they leaked your vagina pictures? Oh, Jasmine, now you know and I know, well as both of us know, that right there is definitely going to stop your career with YouTube, because if those pictures have gotten out, I gotta tell you, I was even scared of them. Only thing is, I do what I gotta do and I don't look down the bottom. Now, Jasmine, who were you actually sending those pictures to? Those pictures were a disgrace before you even decided to go ahead and send someone that. I thought that, Radio, that you were a little bit slow. But yeah, Radio, you are past slow right now. But you know what I'm saying? But if that's what you want to do, Jasmine, go ahead. If that's what you want to do and get you more views and get us money for Christmas, go right on ahead. But if I was you, I wouldn't worry about the pictures or whatever. I wouldn't worry about that because they are nothing that is going to actually reach it to any other site. Actually, no porn site will want them. Only thing those pictures could be used for, Jasmine, is in health class to show people what it looks like when you have something not going on right down there. That's the only thing that it could be used for, Jasmine. So stop getting so upset. All right, Chris. Whatever, Chris. Yeah, and I mean, that right there is what Chris is saying. Chris all the way, y'all heard him. Y'all heard what Chris said. He right off the bat telling you, who really gives a fuck about those pictures? Because I already know what it looked like down there. And if it gets out, it ain't going to do nothing because people just going to be like, oh, what the fuck? What the fuck is this right here? Somebody please come blindfold me. Somebody please come take this out my hand. Somebody get in touch with Google and have all of this taken down immediately. Because this right here is some bullshit. Yeah. So with that being said, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and, I'm going to slide on up off of here. But I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Later.